Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you feeling today? Isn't it a lovely day? Yes? Okay, now this is your third day of the week, and your week is 6 and day is 3, right? This is the third day of the week, and week is 6, right? Okay, now before telling you anything or before starting anything, we are going to watch a video. Okay, again, that video is our Edual video. Okay, do watch it later on, all right? Okay, now let's go. Let's see the video. Watch the video carefully, listen to it carefully. I might ask you questions about that, okay, afterwards. All right, can you see my screen, children? Yes? Great. All right, there you go.
Hello everyone! Let's sing along with all the phonics songs and the words that rhyme. Let's go! I have a cat and a rat. I have a cat and a rat. They both live inside my hat and a cat rat hat. So I go down to the town to show them a clown. Downtown clown. These are all phonic sounds. The words all around rhyme.
Wow, that's great. So, did you enjoy the song? Yes, that was a song. And what was the song about actually? It was about the rhyming words. Very good. So you see these rhyming words, they are also called tricky words. Why? Because they are very, very tricky, right? Like you have seen in the video how the words rhyme. And why do you call them rhyming words? Because they have the same sound and same pattern also, right? They have the same sound and they have the same pattern as well. Now I'm going to show you my resources which are about the rhyming words, and you are going to see the different rhyming words, how they rhyme with one another. These are very, very simple words. Mat, hat, sat. Then you have men, pen, ten. All right. Then another words you have here is bin, pin, tin, and this is what? Tub, rub, and cup. So these are, you can see how they have the same sound and they have the same pattern also, right? So the rhyming words have the same sound, they have the same pattern, right? And the other thing is that you see the how they are sounding and how they are the how is the word pattern written. Do you understand my point? Okay. So remember that these are very tricky words and we call them rhyming words since they have the same sound and they have the same pattern. Understood? All right. Now I'm going to show you this thing, a poem, a picture of a poem, and you are going to read that poem with me. All right? And after reading it, you have to find out the rhyming words. Like what are the rhyming words in that poem? Are you all ready? Great. Come on, let's go. Can you all see my screen? No? Okay, just a minute. There you go. Can you see it now, children? Yeah? Great. Okay, again, it's a song. It's a vegetable song. Which song? A vegetable song. Okay, now let's read. Carrots, peas, and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. For my snack and in my lunch. Veggie sticks are great to munch. Carrots, peas, and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Okay, come on. What is the rhyming word in the first sentence? Carrots, peas, and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Broccoli, vegetables are good for me. Carrots, peas, and yes, broccoli rhymes with me. Correct. Now, You can see they have the same sound, yet the pattern is not the same. Only the sound is the same. Let's move on. For my snack and in my lunch, veggie sticks are great to munch. Here it is very easy. Yes, correct. Lunch and munch. Wow. Their sound is also same and their pattern is also the same. Again, the first sentence is repeated. The carrot, peas, and broccoli vegetables are good for me. So you see how these two, broccoli and me, their pattern is not the same, yet if you read them, their sounds are the same. For my snack and in my lunch. Veggie sticks are great to munch. Now lunch and munch, their pattern is also same and their sounds are also same. So you see how these words, they have different patterns, they have different sounds, right? So they are called the rhyming words. Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to write few words, right? In the on my this thing whiteboard, laptop whiteboard, and then we are going to discuss the pattern of different words and how to place those words in according to their pattern, since they are the rhyming words with different patterns. Okay, now let's move on. Let's go. All right, there you go. You all can see my whiteboard. Yeah, great. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, now the words which I have to write are fast, fast, told mind, then old, old, find, gold, last, old, kind, fast, and cold. Okay. Now these are different types of words, right? These are the different words. Now you have to first find out the pattern of these words, that what is the pattern actually and what rhymes with which words. Okay. All right. Just a minute. What happened here? Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Now first is the fast, right? Which word rhymes with fast here? Come on. Fast rhymes with, correct, very good. Last. Fast rhyme with last. And is there any word that rhymes with these two, fast and last? Yes, fast. See, these three words, fast, last, and fast, they have the same pattern and same sound, right? Okay, now let's move on. There, another word is told. Which word rhymes with told here? Told rhymes with old. Very good. Then what is the other word? That cold. Very good. Is there any other word? Told, old, cold, and gold. Wow, that's correct. Gold also rhymes with gold also rhymes with told, old, cold, and told. Gold. Correct. Now let's move on. Mind. M-I-N-D. Mind. What is the word that rhymes with mind? Come on. Mind. Find. Very good. Find. And then another word. Last whole. Kind. Very good. Very good. Great job. Okay. Now, see, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more word is missing. Old, find, gold, last, whole, kind, past. Past is here, old is here, old is here. So you understood how they have different patterns? They have the pattern, this pattern, this pattern. There are three different types of patterns, and these three types of patterns have different sounds that rhymes with one another. Yes or no? Great. Now, let's make a sentence of one word from each pattern. The first one is fast. How are you going to make a sentence of fast? Yes, very good. My brother runs very fast. Come on, told. Yes, my mom told me to clean my room. Very good. Great job. Okay. Now mind. My little sister has a good mindset. Right? Good job. Very good. All right. Let's make few more sentences. Last. Last week we had a party at our home. Right. Great. Old. My grandfather is very old. Great job. Find. Can you please find my English book? And what is it? Is it a sentence or is it a question? It's a question. So you are going to put a question mark. Wow, great. Past. Uh, mm, mm, my grandmom passed away 2 years ago, right? Very good. Okay, cold. It's very cold today. Yes, kind. My friend Ali is a very kind person. Good. Okay, gold. My mom gave me a gold ring. Wow, great job. Very good, class. That's so nice that you all have understood the concept. That's great. So I'm so happy for you. Well done, class. Well done. So now out of these patterns, this pattern is there in your book on page number 27, and you have to do partner, you have to write down the words and make any three sentences, okay? And I'm going to give you 5 minutes time to make sentences. You have to take any one word from any pattern and make sentence. So three words with three different pattern of words, all right? Okay, your time starts now. Time is up. Great. Okay, can you can you read your sentence? Yes. You have written of old. Yes, my grandfather is very old. Great job. Okay, then kind. You have written of kind. My mother is very kind. All right. Okay. Good. Very good, children. That means that you know what are the rhyming words, that they have the same sound and the same pattern, right? That is very, very good. Now let's play a game. All right, to wrap up the session, we are going to play a game. All of you are ready for the game? Okay. Now, I'm going to say one word and you have to tell another word with the same pattern and it should also have the same sound. All right? Okay. My word is the word clown rhymes with town. Wow, great. Good job. The word cup rhymes with tub. Very good. Good job. The word pin rhymes with bin. Wow, good. The word shop rhymes with hop. Wow, good job. Okay, another word, the word house rhymes with mouse. Wow, my class is genius. I'm so happy to teach you. Great. Wow, well done. Okay, now is the time to uh, wind up the class. So I'm just telling you that do go to our website and watch the edible videos. There are videos on rhyming words and on different topics. There are loads of videos. Do watch them. Do like them and do your homework, which I'll be posting on portal, and that is all going to be related to your workbook page, and it will be of rhyming words also. Okay, all right, to see you in your science lesson. Bye.